Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we are going to be making some fun Valentine's Day ornaments. So I have these ornaments that I bought at the Dollar Tree. These are heart-shaped ornaments that you can add to a tree. And I love these. They come in red and they come in these like pretty pinky color. And what we're going to do is we're going to transform them to look like this. Ooh, look how delicious these look. So I love how I made these look more fun. I added some stickers and I added some ribbon, and that's literally all we did for these. So I'm going to show you guys how I make them, okay? They're very, very easy to make. All you need are some few stickers. All you need are some ribbon, and basically that's it. Whatever else you want to decorate your ornament with, you can use some buttons, you can use some pom-poms, you can use some flowers, you can use whatever you want. So let's get started. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I have these heart-shaped foamy stickers that I kind of love, and I had a brilliant idea to use these. So I'm gonna show you how we're going to use them, okay? So I'm gonna do, here we do one of these, and one of these. And for the red, we are going to do one of these and one of these. All right? So we're going to make these together. All you need to do is get stickers out. I have here some really fun kind of like squishy stickers that I'm going to add to the front of my ornaments. So what I'm going to do is just going to add some super fun little hearts everywhere, and I'm just going to go according to the color. So for the red one, I'm going to add it right to this one right here. But before you add there, I added actually a little bit of glue because I want to make sure that my stickers doesn't fall off. So just add a little bit of glue, not too much, just a little bit, and add it to the center of your ornament and let that dry. And just keep going all around your ornaments, adding hearts as your beautiful heart desires. All right, there it goes. For this one, I'm going to add this pretty pinky color. Let's add this purple. Right in the front. And for this one, we can add this hot pink. All right, beautiful. That's the first layer down. Then we're going to use other hearts. I have these hearts that I got at Walmart, and I thought these were really, really fun. And they're a little bit smaller than these, so I thought they would be perfect to layer them. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to layer my hearts sporadically, obviously. So we're gonna add this one here, and this one has it's actually glued, so it's okay to just glue it down. Let's see here. Got this one here. This one we're gonna add this one. So basically all I'm doing is literally just layering the hearts on top of each other. That's really all I'm doing. Okay, I don't have So let's switch this. Let's put this one here, because you can see it more. Not really, but kind of. And then put this one here, which will be much more visible. There we go. See that? All we're doing is layering hearts down. Beautiful. So you're gonna get something like this, as you can see there. See that? All right. Now we're going to add these little hearts that I got, I don't know, a while ago. And these are just kind of like little frame hearts. All right. So what I like about these is that they fit perfectly right in the center of the ornament. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add these right in the center of the ornament. All right. And these really give a nice look to the ornament. It gives it such a pretty look. See that? Look at that difference. How gorgeous does that look, right? I love it. Okay, the white one, we're going to use the red, because obviously the red is very powerful against the white. Just squish it down. I love it. So beautiful, right? All right, let's put this white one against the red. Again. These are so easy to create and so much fun. And then we have two reds that we're going to add. Just like that. And one more. And then we're almost done. The last thing that I did to these hearts is I added some ribbon. All right. So hold on one second. This little hook is not properly. There we go. All right. Bless you, baby. You're welcome. All right. There we go. And that's the last one we're going to do as far as adding little stickers to the hearts. Look how cute these turned out. So simple, right? But so beautiful. I love them. So the last thing that I did with my hearts is I added a really fun little tiny bow right there. So I have some bows here that I already made in advance so that I don't spend too much time making bows. And all I'm going to do is just very random, just add some bows. So here we go. Very random. A little dot. And I'm going to come here. I'm going to add it right in the center. And there you have it. This one I'm going to have to cut a little bit because this tail is way too long. So let's just trim the tail a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to continue to glue down our beautiful little bows. And if you need to trim them, then you can do that. Okay. This one needs to be trimmed. Just a little bit. Just a tab. Look how pretty that looks. Love it. Love them. They're so cute. Okay, let's add some more bows. You can literally trim them before you even put them on your ornaments if you want. Look at that. Okay, we got 2 more, and then we're done. And then that's all we are going to do. This is so, I mean, I know it's a very simple project, but it really makes a huge difference, and it really turns these ornaments in a very beautiful and pretty look. Not that the original look of the ornaments does not look bad. It does, because these actually do look very, very cute. But I don't know, I kind of like to add a little bit of more sparkle to my ornament, and I think that this really makes a huge difference. I was also thinking to add stickers that are, I'm gonna show you right now. Give me 1 second. Let me add the last bow. Let's trim these little tails. And there you have it, guys. That's the last cute, adorable little ornament that we are going to create, because we're done with all the ones that we were going to make. Now, I was saying earlier that if you want to use these conversational, really adorable, cute hearts, you can also do that. And that would also look really fun on these ornaments. I think it would look super, super cute, actually. Here, let's do one together. You can just add a conversational heart. Let me use the white one so that you can see it better. If you don't want to go too crazy on adding like so many things to your ornament, one of these simple conversational hearts will be super adorable to add to these ornaments. Also, I was also suggesting to add the Dollar Tree gorgeous hearts in the center as well, and that would also look really pretty. So you have a lot of ideas on how to dress up these ornaments. I just wanted to show you guys how I was doing it, just so that I can give you some inspiration and some ideas. But again, there is no wrong way of doing this. You can do this however you want. I think these turned out super adorable, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these. Make sure you guys thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you comment and let me know what you think about these beautiful little ornaments. And also follow me on Instagram so you guys can see how these look hung up on the tree. All right, my loves? I love you all. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.